Checklist of ISO IEC 27001 A.17.1.2 Implementing Information Security Continuity. Business continuity planning is a crucial aspect of information security management. It helps organizations to identify and prepare for potential threats to their business operations and ensure they can maintain or restore their services within defined timeframes. A.17.1.2 provides guidelines for implementing information security continuity plans. In this video, we will discuss the key elements of Annex A.17.1.2 and provide a sample checklist for verifying the implementation of information security continuity plans. Sample checklist. Verify that business continuity plans are in place for all critical business processes and IT systems. Confirm that the plans take into account the identification and agreement of responsibilities, identification of acceptable loss, implementation of recovery and restoration procedures, documentation of procedures, and regular testing exercises. Evaluate the coherence of the framework for business continuity planning to ensure consistency in plans and priorities for testing and maintenance. Verify that the business continuity plans and planning process, taken as a whole, are adequate to satisfy the identified information security requirements. Verify that business continuity plans are regularly exercised, tested, to ensure that they remain up to date and effective. Confirm that members of the crisis incident management and recovery teams and other relevant staff are aware of the plans and clear on their personal roles and responsibilities. Check that security controls at disaster recovery sites and alternative locations adequately mitigate the corresponding information risks. Implementing information security continuity plans is vital to ensure that organizations can maintain or restore their services within defined timeframes following an interruption or failure. A.17.1.2 of ISO IEC 27001 provides guidelines for implementing such plans. By following the sample checklist provided above, organizations can verify the implementation of their information security continuity plans and ensure that they remain up to date and effective.